Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun winter Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to use one of the Dollar Tree winter glasses. This one has snowflakes on it, and we're going to make a really pretty candle display with it. So I'm going to use one of the little chunky wood rounds from the Dollar Tree to make a winter base. And we're going to fill this up, and we're going to fill it up with some Epsom salt for some faux snow and an emergency candle for the candle inside. This is kind of a little bit of like a Scandinavian winter candle DIY, but I love how it turned out. So for the wood round, I'm just going to stain it lightly with some antique wax by Waverly. I just put it all over, wipe it off with a baby wipe. Gives you a nice lighter stain because it can get a little dark with the antique wax by Waverly. And I just want to make sure that I have good stain all over. I am going to add some fun winter touches to this, but I wanted the base of it to be a stained wood. Now, I know that that glass is not a candle holder. I'm going to use it anyway. I think it's going to be okay because the candle is really not going to come into contact with the glass itself. To attach it to the base, though, I just use a little bit of hot glue. That way it will definitely stay in place, and the chunky wood is pretty thick to weigh down the base. Once I get it attached, I'm going to decorate the base of it for winter. I'm going to do some faux snow. I like to do that using school glue and Epsom salt. And Dollar Tree does have Epsom salt now. And I love the combination of the school glue and the Epsom salt. It gives you a crunchy snow that looks really realistic. It's my favorite way to do a faux snow. So once I spread out the school glue, I just went all over with it. As you can see, it kind of just even looks crunchy like snow, right? And sometimes I like to use a little spray adhesive on top just to make sure it stays glued down. But if you don't have any, you should be fine just using the school glue. Just make sure to use plenty of it. And I do want good coverage, but I do want that stained wood kind of background underneath of it. I think that that looks rustic. Now for more winter vibes, I'm going to have like a little snow, like little icicles coming down the sides of the top here. So I just go in with some more school glue and a paintbrush and just kind of drip that down inside. And then I can go in and dip this into my Epsom salt, and it's going to give it a little frosty appearance. I like the combination of the faux snow with the snowflakes on the glass. I think it really gives it that winter look. For the candle, I'm going to fill it up with some of the Dollar Tree white sand. It looks like snow, right? But it's going to provide a perfect base for the candle. And I'm just using one of the little emergency candles from the Dollar Tree in white right in the middle of the sand. And this is how it turned out. This is how it looks during the day. And let me also show you what it looks like lit up. Such a fun winter Dollar Tree DIY. If you'd like more winter DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!